this chapter, we are going to study about the Trojan horse. That is the lesson number 3, the Trojan horse. That's the very interesting lesson. Here, the children are going to read and comprehend the lesson. You have to understand the lesson, learn new words, and enhance their vocabulary. So here, what do you do when you find yourself in a tricky situation? आप क्या करते हो जब अपने आप को ट्रिकी सिचुएशन में देखते हो? ट्राई करते हो उसे सॉल्व करने की या फिर गिव अप कर देते हो? ट्राई ना. Once upon a time, a war break out between Greece and Troy. White war हुई और ट्रॉय के बीच में. The Greeks had come to take back Helen. The Greeks आए थे उसे इसको हेलेन को लेने के लिए. The beautiful wife of Greek general Menelaus, the Trojan prince Paris, had taken Helen to Troy. जो Trojan prince थी, इसकी वो कहाँ ले गई? हेलेन को ट्रॉय में ले गई. And refused him to return her. Or as a result, the Greek attacks the city of Troy. फिर result में क्या हुआ? Greek ने attack कर दिया city of Troy को. Then the people of Troy had built a sturdy wall with guards towers around the city. The people जो थे Troy के उन्होंने बड़ी-बड़ी walls बना दी अपनी city के around, guard towers around the city. So once the gate were closed, no one could enter. जब एक बार door close हो गया उसमें कोई enter नहीं कर सकता था. The Greeks made several attempts. Greeks ने बहुत attempts करे अंदर जाने के लिए to breach the wall of or unlock the gate. या तो दीवार कूद जाए या लॉक कर दे गेट को, but they could not succeed. But वो कभी succeed नहीं हुए. Despite all their efforts, the Greeks had failed to enter the city of Troy. सारे efforts के बाद Greeks थक गए enter करने के लिए city of Troy में. इस सब में fail हो रहे थे वो. The Greek soldiers were disappointed and exhausted. जो Greek soldiers थे disappointed हो गया और exhaust हो गया. They had nearly given up, but वो nearly मैंने मतलब give up कर दिया था. Their plan of attacking Troy and were preparing to return to Greece. और prepare कर रहे थे Greece को वापस जाने के लिए. Ulysses, the Greek general stood staring thoughtfully at the Trojan horse. एकदम से Greek general जो था वो एकदम सोचने लगा thoughtfully देखते Trojan wall की तरफ. There had to be a way to solve this problem. वहाँ पे एक way होगा उस problem को solve करने के लिए. He mused. Suddenly an idea struck him. एकदम से एक idea struck करता है उसको. He summoned his soldiers and shared his plan. उन्होंने summon कर दिया अपने soldiers को, share करा अपना plan. Ulysses' plan was put into action immediately. Ulysses का plan एकदम action में डाल दिया. A giant wooden horse was built. एक बड़ा सा horse build करा गया. A horse had wheels to make it move. Horse के wheels से move करने के लिए Ulysses along with the soldiers is inside the giant horse and rest of Ulysses जो थे अपने soldiers के साथ कहाँ चला गया? एक giant बड़े से horse के अंदर चला गया. And rest of the soldiers burned all the tents. और जो बाकी के soldiers थे सारे tents burn कर दिए and went away to a nearby island और चले गए पास के island में. Next day, people of Troy saw the Greeks going away. Next day क्या हुआ? जो लोग थे Troy के उन्होंने Greeks को जाते हुए देखा. They also saw smoke coming out of the burnt tent. उन्होंने देखा smoke भी आ रही है burnt tent में से. They were then convinced that the Greeks had left the town. वो convinced हो गए कि Greeks जा चुके हैं. When they saw the giant wooden horse, जब उन्होंने एक giant बड़े से wooden horse को देखा, they assumed it to be the statue of some Greek god. उन्होंने assume करा कि क्या statue है किसी Greek god का. They took the horse inside and began to celebrate their success. वो horse को अपने अंदर ले गए अपनी और success को अपनी celebrate करने लगे कि वो जीत गए. Then during the night when all the people of Troy were asleep, जब Troy के सारे लोग सो चुके थे, Ulysses and his soldiers emerged from the horse. Ulysses और उसके soldiers निकल ही आए horse से. Wasting no time, नुकुल सी भी time को waste ना करते, they allowed the gates for the other soldiers. उन्होंने gates unlock करे दूसरे soldiers के लिए who had returned from the island and were waiting outside the wall. जो island से वापस आ चुके थे और wait कर रहे थे wall के बाहर. The guards of Troy saw the Greeks and alerted their army. जो guards से Troy के उन्होंने Greeks देखे and alert कर दिया अपनी army को. A war began and it's no time city of Troy was in the hands of them. और war start हुई और कुछ ही time में जो city थी Troy की वो किसके हाथ में आ गई? Greeks जीत गए थे, Greeks के हाथ में आ गई. The wise Ulysses not only took Helen back, वो खाली Helen को ही अपने साथ में लेके गए, but also taught a lesson to the Trojan prince. और एक lesson भी सिखाया Trojan prince को कि कभी भी किसी को हमें हल्के में नहीं लेना चाहिए. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you understand the lesson nicely. So see you in the next.